Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and today's video is about Ad Copy Pros. This is another review. First, let me get you guys to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so whenever I make videos, you'll be the first to get them, okay? Let's hop straight into it. If you want to make money online by posting ads, okay, those ads will generate you sales instantly to your PayPal account or instantly to your Cash App or however you want to get paid, but it's instant money. I'm talking about right then and there, and I'm going to show you how it's done. The name of this company is Ad Copy Pros, okay? And so what you do when you get started with this company, they give you a bunch of pre-written ads. I'll go through here pretty fast. Look at all of these ads. Tons and tons of ads, tons and tons of email swipes, and tons of things, okay? I'm not going to give it all to you because you don't need to see it until you go ahead and get the product. But they give you all these ads that they want you to post on social media, okay? Things like Facebook, Twitter. You can make videos about it like I'm doing. You can post on Pinterest, anywhere, anywhere, Craigslist, anywhere, okay? And so you just, everything's copy and paste. Literally, they have everything here for you. You copy and paste it in Facebook groups or however you want to do it, okay? We do have training for you once you get started, but you paste these on the internet. These are triggered to go ahead and automatically pique people's interest, okay? The way these titles are, they pique people's interest, okay? And when people see it, they're most likely going to respond to what the ad is saying because these are really good ad copies. And once they respond, then you just send them your website, okay? So once you get started here, you'll get a lead capture page like this. You'll get a video sales page, different, referral links for them to sign up and log in and things like that. Okay, but once you get started, your pre-written ads will be right here at the top. Okay, and then your lead capture page. I usually do the video sales page for anybody who has any questions. You don't have to answer anybody's questions unless all they have to do is watch the video. The video explains everything. Okay, that's why I love sending people to the video so that they can actually see testimonials of people making money with this opportunity. You get 100% commissions, you guys. Now this is a one-up system, and what they mean by that is you get pass-ups. What are pass-ups? Okay, so your second sale will go up to your sponsor, and you're like, what? That sucks. But guess what? Every sale after that is yours. Your first sale is yours, 100% commissions. Okay, so how much does this cost? Let's break this down. Okay, how much does this cost? And I'll show you the potential money making with this. This particular program right here at the beginner stage is only $25, and then you'll have to pay an additional $10 for your admin fee. Okay, so $35 total is what you'll spend on just one time, only one time. You don't have to pay anything else after that, and it's not a monthly payment. I repeat, it's not a monthly payment. It's only a one-time fee of $35. Okay, to get everything set up. Now they do have a $100 upgrade if you want to go ahead and get up to the $100 level so that you can start receiving $125 per commission. But that's that's completely not mandatory. You can do it or you don't have to do it. If you just want the basic, great. Okay. The $100 level does come with a lot more stuff and things like that that you can do, but we'll talk about that here in a second. But for the main part, you pay your $35. Okay. So once you click the link below this video, it'll take you to a page that looks like this with the video. This is what the sales video looks like. So I'm kind of showing you guys what you'll be getting once you get started. It says start earning $25 over and over while copying and pasting done for you ads. And that's all you're doing, okay? Copying and pasting ads on social media. Watch the video. It's about 9 minutes. Once you click start earning today, it'll bring you to a page like this. This is going to set your account up. You just create this. You fill out your information. Should set you to bring you to something like this. Make sure you join the Facebook group, access the system, things like that, and then you'll be on a page like this once you're all paid and everything like that. Once you do pay your $35, make sure you'll have to pay the $25. Then you'll have to make sure you click return to merchant because once you pay, it'll be through PayPal or your Visa card, MasterCard, and you'll get transferred back to the company to pay the additional $10. And then you're good to go and you can start working immediately and start making money in the same day. That's why I love this company, you guys. Okay, so after everything is set up, go ahead and click here, access your ads and things like that. So it's $25 per person that you bring in the company, right? $25. All right, and so When you get your first commission, that's yours. It goes straight to your PayPal instantly. Your second commission will pass up to your sponsor. Okay. Then you only have one pass up. That's it. You don't have to pass up anymore, just one. This is called a team building method, and that's why I like this company a lot, because in order for you to make a lot of good money, you have to help somebody else make money. Okay. You have to help. Okay. So everybody's working together as a team. Matter of fact, let me show you guys the Facebook group here. I want to show you guys our Facebook group so that way you can see that people are actually joining every day, okay, and making good money with it. Shout out to my boy Greg. That's my boy Greg right there. But yeah, people are making money with this system, and a lot of people are joining. It's over 1,000 plus members, okay, and I want you guys to be a part of it and be a part of my team, because once you're a part of my team, you get my YouTube training that is $150, but you get that for free. You get my Facebook formula, that's about $75. You get that for free. You also get this right here, which is I don't know if you can see that. This is my software. I have two softwares. You get those for free, okay? Or if you don't join, then if you don't join my team, then you do have to pay, additional fees to get those. But you get that when you join the team, and I'll teach you, different strategies and methods like that on how to post. But see, I'll click here in the group, and this is what you'll be a part of once you get started. 1,400 members, okay? And let's see here. You're getting people getting help, things like that. So as you can see, there's just lots of people in here helping each other. People have questions. Everybody's getting help, okay? Everybody's getting help in here. All right, people are, showing their people, welcoming people to the group. Good stuff, okay? So now that you know what you get, let me show you the potential money that can be made with this system, okay? So each person you get is $25 unless you're on the unless you're in both companies, and you get $125 per sale if they decide to upgrade. But let's just start with the basics. $25, okay, one time. Times that by 3 people, just say you get 3 people each day. That's $75 a day times 7. Say you did that for, Monday through Sunday. $525 a week in your pocket cash every day. Okay, you times that by 4, which is in a month, then that's $2,100 a month in your pocket, and that's only with the $25. Okay, that's only with the $25 program. So let's say you did that. Let's just say you started to get really good at this, and you did $125. I mean, they joined the 25 and the 100. You did 3 people a day, $375 a day. You did that for a full week, because people are doing this. It may seem like a lot to some people, but people are actually doing this. Okay, times that by 7. Wait, let me go back. $125 times 3. That's for one day. Times that by 7. In 1 week, you'll have $2,625 in a week. Okay, and then you times that by 4. Whoa, go back. $10,000 for the month, guys. $10,000 for the month. You see how powerful this could be? All right. And not only, you're not doing all the work yourself, which is great. It's a team effort. So how fast do you think you could get here? But let's just say, most people are doing the 25. So let's just say you only got, 2 people, times you only got 2 people every, 4 days. Let me times that. So you got 2 people, and you times that by 4. Okay. So that's an extra $200. You only got 4 people in a week. That's an extra $200 in your pocket that you can do whatever with. Okay. Times that by 4. Come on, man. $800 for the month. It's $800 a month that you could do whatever you want to with. Save it, whatever. So as you can see, this system is very powerful, and it's only one-time payments, you guys. Once you pay it once, you don't have to pay it again. The system is great. It's working. Teammates are actually, seeing results. Okay, people are in here getting welcome to the team every day. As you can see, welcome, welcome. So it's a great system to go ahead and get started with, you guys. Like I said, click the link below this video. It'll bring you to a video like this. Click to start after you watch this, or if you don't want to watch it, just go ahead and click start earning. Fill out your info. Go through the process. Go ahead and pay and get started. Email me all my information. They have these automatic Facebook buttons down here at the bottom. Once you click that, it'll go straight to my inbox. My phone number will be on there. Everything that you need as your sponsor will be on there. Okay, you guys. So I'm ready to help you. If you're ready to get started, go ahead and do that. This is my sponsor, Jeremy Blackman. Um, so this is how my information will display on my team. So it'll have my name here, okay, and it'll have my phone number, and it'll have my email as well as my Facebook that you can go ahead and inbox me right there if you need to contact me, or you can go ahead and just shoot a text to me. All right. So if you guys need any help with anything, let me know. If you guys just need training with any business, I do have training below this video. Make sure you subscribe. Let's get you started on making some money this year, and I'll see you guys later.